have so much sauce. Alright. I think you might need, if you watch the place too, watch videos about me cooking, you're gonna need like a little more salt. Why is it stuck like this?
Oh. Oh, sorry. You squeeze it and hit it, it opens.
Okay. Don't do this without a grown adult, unless you're a grown adult, please. Want some more? Wait, give me a bowl. Give me a bowl. Wait, bro.
No, that's it. But there's not enough. Move. Stop. Move.
When it looks like this, and it looks like this,
like a brown color.
when it looks like a light brown, that's not funny. It looks like a light.
Where'd you drop it now? Oh my god.
Try different one. It has to be like a lightest brown.
Stop, Nathan, because there's not that much of that meat, dude.
Sorry. I can't stop. Yeah. Goes on the floor.
Tastes pretty good.
Huh?
Tastes pretty good.
I know. That's better. That's better. I'm working with fire. Mom's working with mix. Let's just burn myself. I have to do something. Chat.
Alright. Tell everybody we'll see them later when everything's done.
I'll see you later when everything's done. We show you a picture on the what's it called?
End of the video, right?